Do you want to stop emergency SOS on your iPhone? Or are you stuck with SOS only showing in the top left corner? Let's jump straight into the video. To turn off emergency SOS or accidental SOS, open the Settings app and scroll down to Emergency SOS. Turn off the toggle for call with hold and release, then turn off call with 5 button presses. You can also turn off the call after severe crash option if you want to fully prevent automatic SOS calls. Now, emergency SOS won't turn on accidentally. You can still turn it on manually by pressing and holding the side button and the volume down button together, where you'll see the emergency SOS option. Are you stuck with SOS only showing at the top left corner? Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to Cellular, and check your active line. Tap on the line that's missing the carrier name and showing SOS Only at the top left. Turn off the toggle to deactivate the line. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Another important fix that many users find helpful is restarting the carrier connection. Turn on airplane mode from the control center by tapping the airplane icon. Leave it on for a few seconds, then turn it off. Wait until your carrier name appears again at the top left corner. Sometimes internal software glitches cause the SOS only issue. A force restart fixes this for many users, and it will not erase your data. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. You should also check for any pending carrier updates. Go to the Settings app, tap General, then tap About. Wait a few seconds to see if a carrier update pop-up appears. If your iPhone is already up to date, you won't see anything. The last and final solution is to reset network settings, which restores all network options to their default state. Open the Settings app, scroll to General, then scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and wait for your iPhone to restart. After the Apple logo and black screen, check if the issue is fixed. In the past, millions of users have experienced the SOS only issue due to carrier or network glitches. I recommend checking your carrier's website for outages or contacting carrier support to confirm there are no ongoing network issues. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for new video updates.